Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another crafty vision segment. So today I'm going to show y'all how to make a copper wire earring, okay? Just something simple and fast and fancy, all right? So you're going to need some copper wire, and I am using bare copper wire. And this is 16 gauge, okay? 16 gauge copper wire. I've cut my copper wire. It is 20 inches long. You're gonna need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, a dowel to make your shape a shape. And you're gonna need another dowel, which is this large dowel right here that I got from Walmart that come in a pack of 3, okay? And your fish hook. So let's go ahead and get this ball rolling. So now the very first thing we're going to do is make our shape. Okay, so we're going to take our wire and we're going to start wrapping. We're going to make some coils, okay? So we're going to take our wire and start wrapping it around like this. All right. Don't worry about if they're not as close together. It's not a big thing. Don't panic. And here we have it, okay? And once you do that, you're going to take that off. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of your pieces and pull it out like that on both ends, okay? You're going to pull it out on both ends, just like this. Now the next thing you want to do is you're going to start separating. So you're going to start pulling them out like this, one by one. Okay, nice and slow, just like that. Okay. All right, just like that. Now you're going to bring these two pieces together. So let's bring that out a little bit more. And now this is what you're going to have. You're going to bring these two pieces together like this. Okay, that's pretty much what your shape is going to look like. And you're going to take one of these pieces and you're going to wrap one piece around the other one. So we're going to, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from the front, push this down and wrap it around this piece here. Okay. And you want to wrap it as many times as you see fit. So I'm going to wrap it about 3 times because I want it to be tight. Okay, just like this. I'm wrapping it 3 times. All right, so that's what we're going to have. And now I'm just going to come and start pulling on my little loops. So I'm going to go down in the middle here, pull on that, start pulling them out, making my design as I go along. Okay. All right, like this. All right, so that's pretty much what you want. That's your design. And then I'm going to take my pliers Go to the back, snip that off like that. And I'm going to pinch this over to the side. And this dowel I have here, I'm going to make myself a loop. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to snip it. Okay, take my round nose pliers, come up and tuck it just like that. All right, and that's my earring. And then I'm going to take my fish hook and just put it on my fish hook. And you got yourself a really cute pair of earrings. So this is your earring. This is the design that you're going to have. And I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. If you like the videos that I do here on this channel, please make sure that you subscribe so that when I upload more videos, you won't miss one, okay? I also want to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all's support. So with that being said, until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.